Howdy, that's Cameron, and that's Cole. And we're going to show you today how to take a inferior piece of fence and repair or replace it so that the fence is more superior. We do this because goats can't get their head with horns through a 4x4 square as easy as a 6x6 square on the fence. Oh, and by the way, that's me. So welcome to Homesteading at Adobe Farm. We hope you enjoy this video and please subscribe. Thank you.
Piece of fence down here. Cameron, why don't you come up and pick that up? That piece of fence. Show the folks at home what that looks like. That was about how long? 16 feet? Goes all the way down to there. And we took that off from this piece, from right here, all the way down to here. And the reason we did that is because the goats are sticking their heads through this size fence right here. I don't know if you can see that. But that fence, a little piece of fence right there. Now we left that there because this is a 20-foot, I think, section of 4x4 screen fencing. And that stuff is great for goats. Even the babies can barely get their heads through. If they do, they don't have horns yet. So they grow up into it. So we want to show you right here how we patch this together. And this is just a patch job for now until we get another piece of 4x4 to put in this section right here and one over there on that side. Okay, Cole is going to show you how to tie one of these on a fence post first. It's exactly how we did it. We put 3 and sometime 4 on each post. Of course, the posts are already driven in the ground. So right now, Cole is taking back the wire. He's going to pull out enough to make one clip. He's going to cut it with the dikes. Okay. He's going to put a little, make it like a V kind of. And did you see when he turned that back on that roll? Thank you. See, it bends back around. That way you can find the end next time, and the stuff is so malleable that it's easy to find it. Go ahead and let's put one right here, because that's the bottom of that. They'll have a tendency to get down there a little more than they would up above. Now you can see in this case, he's pulling it as tight as he can, and then he's going to go one over the other. Once he does that, sometime you even put a turn in it if you can, but he's going to get his vice grips. He's going to get over both legs of that, and he's just going to twist it and pull as he's twisting it. What that does is that brings that wire in all the way close to the post. Oop, did it snap off? Yeah, sometimes you got to watch it, because sometimes if you do it too tight, it will come right off. And if it stays on there like this one, right here, that's okay. That won't hurt anything. But we're not wanting that, so he's got to make another one, and he can keep the old piece over there. We'll use it on something smaller, like one of these right here. One of these coming. Okay. So back over here. Okay, he got his wire out. He cut it. There it is. He's going to bend it. He just bends that so it fits around there a little better. Okay, he's going to pull it as tight as he can. Might have cut that one a little short, but I think, let me get in there and help you. I can push it back some. Okay, now use that. You got it? You got what you need? Okay.
We need to put that like that. Okay.
Alright. He's going to clip his vice grips on there. Hold it.
Get it.
Okay, he's going to twist that. So a little bit, tighten it up, pull on it hard. Pull towards you. Okay. See it tighten up back here? When he does that, tightens up right there.
Okay.
That's pretty good. And that's how you clip them. You just put like 3 or 4 per fence post, depending on how tall your post is. That's all you have to do. You see the goats aren't bothered by this at all. Some of them are over here. The boys are over here goofing around, kind of chewing their little cuds and stuff. Of course, I don't believe goats chew a cud, but anyway, one of them, a nice place to take a nap there, right in the middle of the feed bucket, and that's the nature of goats. And so over here, what we did, we just took and wired that in several places, a lot of places, almost every one over here on this connect the wire to the screen, and then we put some big ones, and then we bent those back. So you can see we bent these back around, and that'll just kind of help it from cooking. But we put the bend on the inside so it wouldn't poke a goat in the eye or anything like that. Then we come over here, and we had to make one of these broke. If you can see this right here, it broke. So there was a big hole here, and goats, especially smaller ones, can get out of something that big. And so what we did is we curled this around with a vice grip, came around some wire, hooked it up right here, and then we brought it around and hooked it up on our little eye that we made right there. It seems to have worked out pretty good. And that'll just keep them from coming out. Of course, this is temporary. We have over here, so piece of wire there, all the way across and all the way around the other side. And I know this is kind of jerry rigging and temporary and stuff like that, but when you got stuff to do on a ranch of any size, we have a lot of animals. Sometimes you need to do that till you can come back and put a full panel or something like that in there. We're going to have to cut some panels this size from here to here and from here to down there, and then we'll come in and make this a real nice little goat pen, and these guys will love it over here. Well, thanks for watching. Cameron, you got anything to say?
Hello.
Hello. How about goodbye?
Bye. See you later.
Okay.
Next video.
Bye-bye. Keep watching, and please go ahead and hit the subscribe and the like button and all that if you would. And if you do like it, don't lie, but if you do like it, go ahead and do that for us. We'd sure appreciate it. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Well, thanks for watching today. I sure appreciate you doing so. If you liked it, subscribe to us, please, and also like us and send it out on Instagram and YouTube and all those. And this was our first ever video we made. We hope to get better. We're going to have a lot of good content on here that should be helpful to you. So thank you once again for listening, and may God bless you richly and fully. Bye-bye.